Yo, what's going on, guys? So as you guys saw, hopefully in my last video, I showed this Camaro SS here that I just got. Gonna use some Goo Gone and we're gonna get started here. Oh shit, I did not mean to spill that. It's coming off pretty easy with my nail. I don't really like I'm pretty picky when it comes to cars with stickers. Like on my STI, I have literally one sticker. I think the Prelude still has, I think I still have the fucking Honda dealership on it. I've never made a YouTube video on my Prelude. It's because I always thought I was too awkward for car content. He actually has blind spot mirrors, which is really good because you can't see shit in this car, bro. I can't see anything. Gonna remove the quiet sticker as well. So there we go. There's a like before and after right there. Not a big fan of the quiet group either. Like car groups are just not for me, man. Look at that smooth peel off. Look at that sound though. 10 times better. I love Hoonigan. I actually might keep that because it's cool. So I'm gonna keep this because it actually came out pretty good. Put it on my box or whatever. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoo, satisfying, bro. Look at that, so much cleaner. I'll probably keep that for now. Maybe take it off later. Also, guys, it looks like it might rain, so bear with me on that. If it starts raining, bro, I'm gonna be kind of salty. Oh, that sound too, bro. Actually, I think that's cool. Like to have your car from Forza, this is a cool sticker. So I'm gonna keep this, but it doesn't belong on a car. It belongs on my box for car parts and stuff like that. Can't even tell it was there. Beautiful. Nürburgring's gotta go. I didn't earn that badge. I didn't earn this. Oh, dude, this GoPro's starting to hurt my dome piece. God damn. Still recording? Still recording. All right. Ooh, I'll probably keep the wrap for now just to protect the paint until I figure out what I want to do with it. I like black, but I'm starting to really not like black anymore. Boom. Got it, man. Let's wipe her off real quick. Okay, let's take a look at what we've done so far. Literally just been removing stickers this whole video, but it's okay. It should just peel off. What the hell was that? I just realized he did not line this up properly. You can tell right here, look, that's the M comp. You see how big that shit is, bro? For my taste, like, I just think without the stickers, it looks so much cleaner, man. Doesn't need all that. Oh wow, that came off. Why are these coming off so much easier? Look at that, just like peeling off. Huh. Maybe they're older? I don't know. But this one's coming off like no problem, dude. Say less. This is just stuff that I would do when I'm like really young, like when I was 16. Luckily, all this stuff is pretty easy to remove. Like, I say that now, but watch this be like a bitch. It feels like tape almost. Feels like electrical tape. Oh yeah, that was smooth. That might be a bumper. $544. I don't know if you guys just saw that. So I'm trying to find a Prelude bumper. As you guys, well, you guys don't know because I've never made a video on it, but right here, I have a very bad crack in my bumper. I got some car parts back home waiting to be put on. I gotta get it re-inspected. I gotta get it registered again. If you ever get an option to drive a Prelude, please do it. Even if you're not a Honda guy, just go for a drive, man. They are the funnest slow car I've probably ever been in. It's one thing I don't like about the Prelude is like, you get scammed a lot online. So when you find parts that are like genuine, they're pretty hard to come by. 4 years I've been looking for a Prelude bumper, and that's just because mine's cracked and they don't make them anymore. Yesterday actually, just had an experience with a guy I was trying to buy a bumper from, and he was like, we just got a parts car, and I was like, all right, cool. I was like, can I see some pictures or something? Like, I'm not gonna just buy something without even seeing it. He said, no, we only start taking the parts off the part car once you pay. And I was like, what kind of shit is that, bro? Like, that's a complete scam. Oh, hold on, boys. God damn, my head hurts. So we're getting there. I'm gonna keep this right here. Looks like it's a marker, be better. It's kind of his little motto. I actually fuck with it, so I'm gonna keep that. I like the vibe of that. You'd be surprised with like small tacky stuff like this, how much of a difference it can make on a car. There it is without the blacked out X's. All right, well, there we go. Look at that. No badge. Looks kind of fucking goofy. Yeah, the whole wicker bill's got to come off, unfortunately. I'll just put these in my pocket. What do you guys think of the wicker bill? You guys think it's clean? Out of this build. Holy shit. Ooh, ASMR. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I don't even know what that is. It's like glue. Alright, Danny from the future here. As you guys are watching me struggle to remove this fucking wrap, I understand that if I had a heat gun, it would make my life a lot easier. But I was finally able to remove that wrap. And I'll show you guys some end pictures at the end of the video if you're curious on what it looks like. I do apologize though, because I didn't really record like the ending. It ended up starting to rain really bad, and I had to get the fuck out of there. I had to go home too, because couldn't even go to the car wash that day. And then next day, I ended up going to the car wash, and then it got dirty again because of the rain. So it was like fucking acidic or some shit. I lost all of the bolts and lock nuts that I used to remove the OEM spoiler, which I'm not sure why I thought it would be a good idea to leave that OEM spoiler on, because I had to take that shit off because it was all the way underneath there. Yeah, I didn't think about that. If you guys also have Instagram, you can feel free to check me out as well. If you're curious on the cars and just want to see some updates here and there, I'll leave it in the description. And also, I'm going to also start linking my eBay store in the description as well, because I got parts that need to go. I also have some 5th gen Camaro parts that I post on there as well. And also, if you're into like video games and stuff, I post there too. But if you are in the market for stuff like that, I will leave my eBay store in the description. Subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.